Hey, if you are thinking about moving to Fort Worth, Texas, I'm gonna share today with you what traffic is really like. Hi, I'm Dana Pollard, a real estate agent in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. And so if you are looking for the perfect home, I'm your gal. I've been selling real estate like 12 years now. So anyway, in this video, you're going to see what the commute times are like in the suburb cities of Fort Worth. Now, the suburb cities I'm going to show you, I chose them because they are in the top 20% for school districts. So that's how I chose these cities, to give you an idea of where you may want to move to. So the first city I'm going to show you is the city of Southlake and the commute time between Southlake and downtown Fort Worth. And the reason I pulled this up, it has the #1 school district in the state of Texas. Now, keep in mind, Southlake is considered a luxury city because you cannot find a home under $475,000. And so if you want to move to Southlake with the #1 school district in the state, you probably want to have a budget of over $500,000. Argyle is a great city to live in. They are known for $1 million ranches with horses, and it's booming, it's growing, and it's a great investment because they are going to be limiting the lot sizes to 1-acre lots, which means the price of homes will eventually skyrocket. So it's a great investment right now. You can find some communities with homes at $275,000. And so it would be a great investment. It is a far drive to downtown Fort Worth, but many people from the area are moving up to Argyle right now. But just to give you an idea, many people that live in Keller, Texas, or just around the North Fort Worth area, many people are flocking to Argyle and Northlake because they are okay with the drive. So it's something you may want to consider. Let's talk about Keller, Texas. Keller is known for their great public schools. Most of their development was in the 90s and 2000s, early 2000s. And so if you want to buy a home out here, they do start about $250,000, and that's for, a home built in the 90s, about 1,800 square feet. But Keller is a great place to live. It's very close to Southlake and Alliance. But people love Keller. Keller's a great family community. Now I'm going to highlight Alliance right now. Alliance is not a city, but it's far north, not as far as Argyle or Northlake, but it's far north Fort Worth. And really the commute time to Fort Worth is fantastic. There are many new homes, up to 87, and they're priced really well. There's some really nice new home communities, and there's nice homes as well. It's just, I always highlight the new homes because that's where you see all the boom and growth. All right, Mansfield. Mansfield is great. It's one of the few southern cities that have highly rated schools. And so if you wonder why we don't talk much about the cities in the South is because in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, generally most of the best schools are in the north side. Aledo, many people don't think about Aledo because it's west of Fort Worth, but Aledo is known for beautiful ranches. Let's talk about Grapevine. Grapevine is a very tourist attraction city. Everyone loves Grapevine. Grapevine in general is a great central location to both Fort Worth and Dallas. Now, HEB is an area that we call like the mid-cities area. It stands for Hurst, Euless, and Bedford. But if you want a budget-friendly and central location to Dallas or Fort Worth or to the DFW airport, the HEB area, homes start in the 180s. Now they are older homes, typically with larger lots, older 1,500 square feet to 1,800 square foot homes. But you can get a really low-priced home in this area. Now, HEB has a very good school district. It's not the #1 or the very top, but it's not bad either, and it is in the top 20%. So if proximity to the airport, downtown Dallas, or downtown Fort Worth is a desire for you, then Hurst, Euless, and Bedford those cities are a great place for the central location. Hey, if you are looking to buy a new or a resale home in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, guess what? I have a $1,500 rebate coupon that you can get for just choosing me as your real estate agent. So go to my website, the link is below, and all you have to do is register, and you'll get a $1,500 check either after closing, or you can put that money toward closing costs. It's my thank you to my YouTube followers. Also, if you have any questions at all about living in Dallas-Fort Worth or Texas, or you need help finding an apartment, you can email me in the link below as well, and I'm so happy to help. Thank you so much for watching, and hey, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already.